Hi everyone! Today I picked some flowers on my way home from work. They were growing by the roadside, too pretty to pass up. So here in Finland, it is generally not illegal to pick wildflowers on the side of the road, as long as they are not protected species and you are not uprooting the entire plant. This right is part of Finnish every month's right, which allows for the gathering of natural products for personal use. However, there are exceptions, such as protected areas or specific local bylaws. So tara, samahan nyo ako at arrange natin tong mga pinitas kong bulaklak para naman magkaroon tayo ng summer vibe dito sa ating apartment. And this is one of my summer activities also here in Finland, to pick some wildflowers. This purple flower that you see here is called Lupinus fuliphilus, or known as garden lupine or Russell lupine. This flower originally from Western America, and it was introduced in Finland as an ornamental plant but spread widely and now posing a threat to native flora. They say government will pay someone who will cut or take off this plant away kasi nga sobrang bilis nito dumami at sinasakop na yung mga dapat sa native Finnish na pananim. Ayan, natapos din tayo mag-arrange ng flower. Napadami pala yung kuha namin ng bulaklak. So anyway, maganda siyang tingnan. Tapos, ayan, may fresh flower tayo dito sa ating apartment. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa susunod na muli. Paalam!